Wrote, and this is the first public performance, so if you don't know the words, it's not your fault. And in case I don't know the words, aha. Well, it's Christmas Eve tonight, and the stars are shining bright as I wait for your return on Christmas Eve. Sometimes people push and shove to get home to the ones they love, but I know you'll be here, I truly believe. Although the weatherman's predicting quite a snowstorm, I've built a fire that will keep us both so warm, so warm. Christmas by the fire. Don't you know that I really love you? Christmas by the fire with you. Please come safely home to me. I want you under my tree, and to have you by my side forevermore. I will sit with you each day, and we will laugh and we will play, and I'll be everything that you came here for. And you will know that I'll be there to hold you tight. I vow to love you deep on this and every other night, other night. Christmas by the fire, you're the one I truly desire. Christmas by the fire with you. Now I wait for your return as I watch the fire burn, and I think of all the miles you are away. You've got many miles to go, so I'll be waiting with hot cocoa, and I'll keep you warm until the light of day. That bond is special, and I swear that I will hold you. Our love will grow each day exactly like I told you, told you. Christmas by the fire, I love you so entirely and dearly. Christmas by the fire with you. I don't know what it will take, but I vow to stay awake until your car pulls in my well-lit drive. I will give you all my charms as you take me in your arms for a loving Christmas gift when you arrive. I put up mistletoe so I'll collect your kisses. Just think of what a special Christmas season this is. This is Christmas by the fire. I need you, darling. Why aren't you here? Christmas by the fire with you. Christmas by the fire. It's a strong love that I'm aspiring to see. Christmas by the fire. Christmas by the fire. Christmas by the fire.